and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and remember to like the video, because the more likes it gets, the more the content will get pushed to new viewers by YouTube. So thank you for your support. Today we have a delightful sweet treat that also has medicinal purposes. We have my midnight cookies. You are going to love this recipe. The ingredients are very simple: 180 grams plain flour, 30 grams crystallized ginger, 60 grams golden caster sugar, 1 tablespoon activated charcoal, 130 grams vegan margarine, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Place the sugar, margarine and vanilla extract in a bowl and cream it together until it's smooth. Now we'll add the crystallized ginger, the flour and 1 tablespoon of activated charcoal. Mix the ingredients together really well until it's all incorporated together, and it should resemble this. Place the dough on a floured surface and roll it out to about 1/4 inch thickness. Using a cookie cutter or a small glass, cut out the dough into nice rounds. Place the cookies on a baking tray and put them in the fridge for 30 minutes, after which you'll put them in the oven at 180 degrees centigrade or gas mark 4 for between 12 to 15 minutes. And here we have our midnight cookies. Don't they look delicious? So once you take them out the oven, just sprinkle them with a little bit of sugar while they're still warm, and then put them on a cooling rack to cool down. Listed below are some of the medicinal properties of these delightful cookies. Enjoy! Remember to like this video on YouTube and be sure to share it with your friends.